Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Ontario from Youngstown to 30 Mile Point, the lower Niagara River, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 18 miles northwest of Niagara River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wilson, Fort Niagara, Youngstown, and Olcott. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.